Dear brothers and sisters, on this Christmas Day, we are reminded of the profound truth encapsulated in the words of Prophet Isaiah. For unto us a child is born, a son has given to us. This declaration is not just a historical event. It signifies hope, love, and the promise of salvation. The birth of the child Jesus, who came into the world to bring light, was not marked by grandeur or power, but in a humble setting of a stable, symbolizing that greatness often comes in the most unexpected forms and mysterious ways. This teaches us that true strength lies in humility, and that each of us, regardless of our circumstances, has the potential to make a significant impact in the lives of others. As we exchange gifts and share meals with our loved ones, let us remember the greatest gift of all, the gift of God's love through Jesus Christ. This season invites us to embody that love, extending kindness, compassion, and forgiveness to those around us. In a world that often feels divided, let us use this time to bridge gaps and heal wounds. This is Bishop Severo Caermari of the Diocese of Dipolog and the Chairman of the CBCP Episcopal Commission on the Laity, wishing you and your loved ones a blessed Christmas and a New Year filled with grace, joy, and hope.